After much struggling, I have taken apart the Baron. And the reason why I'm taking apart the Baron is because I got new shocks, I got a new motor on the way, and I've decided that I'm going to repaint this. Some of y'all ask, didn't you already paint it? Yes, I did, but I didn't realize there was a plastic wrap on it, so now I gotta repaint it all. But this time I'm gonna do it better. But I'm also gonna paint the frame, and then we'll put it back together, and yeah. Much better. Much better. Let it dry. But yeah, now we're gonna be bringing the chassis out here. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, let's check out the RC graveyard. The new mud pit. I got some new additions for the next video. And yeah, the ground has perfectly smoothed out through here, amazingly. But over here, there needs to be more work. I know it probably looks better, probably not on camera right now, you can't see it the way I see it. But this ground needs to be pressed down a lot more, and like this. And until then, it won't be good. So for now, I'm not really driving in this area, just here. I also built this, but then my crawler crapped the bag last minute. The next couple of videos, you guys are going to be seeing this. This is an RC relic, but I have a brushless on the way, and once I can make this brushless. But to this, while that's drying, we're going to take a look at this. So I have some new shocks on the way. I want to get new axles, and I want to get a different spare gear because it's looking rough, but it'll do for now. Second coat is done. Let this bad boy dry. This isn't turning as good as I thought it would, but yeah. So after some work, putting it back together, which was kind of hard, some adjustments. Oh, stupid thing. The Thrasher truck is done. You gotta let that paint a bit. Dry a bit. But as you guys can see, underneath is completely painted. The next video, I'm gonna throw the drift tires back on, and we're gonna take this for a drift. We got lots of brand new batteries for it, so it should be awesome. Anyways guys, thanks for watching.